In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a document to PDF in Genspark AI Docs. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional PDF saved to your device and the confidence to repeat the process anytime you need. First, open your document in Genspark AI Docs. Make sure you're in the correct file you want to export, not a draft or an older version. Give the page a moment to fully load so all images, styles, and embedded elements are ready before you move on. Next, review the document carefully to confirm the content and formatting look exactly the way you want. Check headings and spacing, make sure page breaks fall in logical places, and scan for widowed or orphaned lines. Look at images and tables to confirm they're aligned properly and not cut off, and verify that fonts, colors, and text sizes are consistent. If your document includes hyperlinks, confirm they point to the right destinations. Doing this now helps prevent surprises in the exported PDF. When everything looks good, locate the export or download option in the document tools. This is typically in a file menu or a toolbar option labeled export or download. If you see multiple options, choose the one that specifically mentions exporting or saving a copy. From the list of formats, select PDF. PDF preserves your layout across different devices and is ideal for printing or sharing without accidental edits. If you see more than one PDF choice, pick the standard PDF option, unless your workflow requires a print-optimized version. If Genspark shows export settings, take a moment to confirm them. Common options include page size, orientation, margins, whether to include comments, and which pages to export. Choose the settings that match your document's intent, portrait or landscape, the correct paper size, and full document unless you only need a specific range. If no options appear, that's fine. The default settings will be applied. Proceed to download the PDF to your device. Your browser may ask where to save it. Pick a familiar folder so you can find it quickly. If it saves automatically, you'll likely find it in your Downloads folder. Finally, open the PDF you just saved and check that everything exported properly. Scroll through each page and confirm the layout matches what you saw in Genspark. Headings, images, tables, page numbers, and any hyperlinks. Zoom in to verify text sharpness and image clarity. If you notice anything off, return to the document, adjust the formatting, and export again. That's it. Your document is now a polished PDF ready to share, print, or archive.